Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to turn on and turn off slow charging mode on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the battery and device care section. Then tap to the battery and scroll to the more battery settings. Here you'll see the fast charging and fast wireless charging. So just to turn on the slow charging mode, you should turn off the fast charging. So by the same way, you can just turn off the slow charging by activating the fast charging mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.